Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. But before that, let me tell you about the career guidance call that you can connect with us. So this is a 1:1 call which you can connect with us and you can let us know if you get stuck anywhere with respect to your career, you're not getting calls, you're unable to clear the interviews, you're unable to get your resume shortlisted, or maybe you're not getting any client interviews. The recruiter is calling you for first two rounds, but then in the client interview the resume is not getting selected. So feel free to connect with us, because I'm going to give you the 1:1 tips and tricks for your problems. And it would be a 30 minutes call. It will not be recorded, it won't be uploaded on the YouTube channel. Don't worry, it will be a 1:1 mentorship call, career guidance call, wherein I'll be assisting you with all the problems that you have with respect to the career, right? Now, let me tell you about the job opportunities. So there are multiple job opportunities that you can see, and we have got work from home as well as remote. So first of all, there is a walk-in drive that is happening for software engineer automation, and it is at WebDriver Technologies. The date is 12th of August, okay, and it would be 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. So it is happening tomorrow, and the venue is WebDriver Technologies, IT Park, Chandigarh. Experience required is 1 to 5 years, right? So this company is hiring automation testers only. So if you have got good command and programming or Playwright, Selenium, then you need to apply here. Okay. You do not have to bring your laptops, right? You just have to carry your documents, laptops, and all those things will be provided from their end. Then there's a requirement for life insurance domain. See, these days there is a lot of requirement for the domain-based things. For example, life insurance, then capital market, payment gateway. There's a lot of demand of these particular opportunities. So if you're interested in testing, so they are hiring for senior tester with strong life Asia and life insurance domain expertise. And the name of the company is KAN Infocom, and you can apply here. There's an email address where you can apply, right? Then there's a requirement for software test engineer automation, and the location is Chennai, and the company name is Pentabase Software Inc. The experience required is 0 to 2 years. So this is for freshers. So if you're a fresher and you're looking forward for a job opportunity in the field of testing, you can apply here. They're looking for somebody who can design, develop, and maintain automated test scripts, execute automated and manual test cases, and analyze test results. See, these days, whether it is experience or whether it is fresher, automation testing is must, right? If you know automation testing, it's good. If you don't know automation testing, then it will be difficult. So make sure that you are doing automation testing, and ensure that you are having sufficient knowledge to answer in an interview, right? Even if in your company you're not getting an opportunity, still you should do the automation testing, because in the interviews they're asking you questions, that is coding questions. They'll ask you to write the code, they'll ask you to explain the logic. So all of these things are required. Okay, then there's a requirement for the Hyderabad location, and the company is hiring for functional QA with experience of 3 to 6 years. Location is Hyderabad. Please share your resumes to this email address. Then there's a requirement for senior QA engineer. The company name is Airline Operations, right? And okay, so this is a Dubai-based role, and experience required is 5 to 8 years. So these days with Dubai, you'll see the roles, but you won't see 10 plus years of roles. You will be able to see the roles up to 8 years, 9 years. So you have to apply for these roles, and you can see Playwright is in demand in Dubai as well. So if you're looking for the roles outside India, especially in this location, then learn Playwright, learn automation testing, right? And here is a link wherein you can apply, right? So it becomes easy for you to get a call. Then there's a requirement for senior software test engineer at Entrust. So Entrust company is hiring for senior software test engineer. This is a fully work from home remote role, wherein you are expected to have 5 plus years of software testing experience, strong test automation and programming skills, experience with Playwright, Cypress, Selenium, or APM, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Ruby, and Java experience is required, CI/CD, API, cloud mobile testing exposure is required, right? So it's a remote role, and you can apply here. So I'll be putting this links in the description as well as in the comment section of the video, so you can apply from there. Right. Then there are multiple other roles as well. So let me share those details. Okay. Now this is for the freshers, right? The freshers who are looking for the job opportunity as a game tester, QA associate. You can apply here, right? It's 100% work from home job, and you have to test the games. Okay, you have to test the games. You will be registering, and you have to go for the HR round and the client. So the salary package would be 3.3 to 4.5 LPA, right? And if they feel that you are not able to crack the interviews, then you have to undergo training, which is a paid training. So that's the next thing. But what I want you to is go and give the interview, right? You should attempt these kind of things because you are a fresher. You'll come to know how softwares, how applications are built, how you can test them, how you can break them. So all those things you can see. And if you get selected, it's a work from home opportunity, right? You just have to you have to do game testing, play games, find bugs, and you have to report those issues, right? So you can apply for this position, right? You can check the director's LinkedIn post that has been posted today of this company, and you can apply, right? And last but not the least, if you are looking for any kind of career guidance, right, feel free to book a call here, right, for the career guidance. It would be a 30 minutes of call, and it would be one-to-one call. I'll be connecting with you and would be assisting you with all sorts of guidance, with all sorts of solutions that can help you to move to the next level in your career, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.